Let's face it, not everyone enjoys rugged, no-frills camping. It's only natural to want to bring the comforts of home into the great outdoors. A camping fridge is perfect for road trips in an RV, overnight camping adventures, picnics, and other outdoor outings. If you want to keep fresh food and beverages ice cold, these portable refrigerators are a fantastic solution. Here are 10 of the best camping fridge products you can buy. With these high-tech options that let you control the inside temperature among other things, you won't be disappointed.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best camping fridge. So let's get started. Number 5. ICECO VL60 Dual Zone Portable Refrigerator. If you like the dual compartment style of the Domtic CFX28 but require more room, the ICECO VL60 is for you. This model has a 63-quart storage capacity, making it perfect for holding all of the fixings for family camping or tent camping with 4 or more people. The reliable Secup Danfoss compressor gives you a temperature range between 0 degrees Fahrenheit and 50 degrees Fahrenheit. One of the best parts about this camping fridge is its sturdy construction. The platinum paint shell, heavy-duty corner caps, and steel handles can withstand anything they come across, especially if used in rough terrain. So, even though the ICECO VL60 is one of our more expensive recommendations, you'll be getting a long-lasting, durable fridge that can handle most ambient temperatures. Number 4. Set Power TC35. The Set Power TC35 is another model worthy of praise from the same brand that efficiently stores cold air inside the portable fridge and keeps your food fresh. This camping fridge has a storage capacity of up to 37 quarts that's equivalent to 52 soda cans. Of course, it's perfect for storing other items such as fruits, veggies, and meat. It's perfect if you're going. Despite its large capacity, it's portable, thanks to 2 detachable wheels. The sturdy inset handles also make it easy to carry. It's built for car camping as it doesn't take up too much space, and it has a low power consumption, so you can hook it up to your car battery if you need to. The digital panel is resistant to the elements and gives you digital controls with complete temperature control. Additionally, the reversible lid allows you to access the electric cooler even in the tightest spaces. Number 3. Astro AI Portable Freezer. It's hard to find a high-quality camping fridge at this price, but the Astro AI Portable Freezer doesn't disappoint. This 12-volt camping fridge is perfect for adventurers on a budget. It comes with a 12/24 VDC and 100V to 240 VAC adapter so that you can hook it up to your car battery, RV, or a portable power bank. A powerful compressor means the camping fridge starts cooling your food quickly. Using the simple LED display, you can adjust the temperature anywhere between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The best part is that it won't drain your RV battery, if that's how you choose to power it. Thanks to built-in battery protection, it will shut off as soon as the power reaches its threshold. Plus, you can also charge your phone through its USB port. The 16-quart camping fridge is smaller than other models, however, it is easier to transport for those who like to pack light. Number 2. Domtic CFX28. Domtic is a well-respected camping fridge brand. As such, its CFX28 model is no disappointment. The CFX28 can get as cold as -7 degrees Fahrenheit and comes with 2 separate compartments, each temperature independent. That means you can make one a freezer and one a refrigerator. Or, you can make them both freezers or both refrigerators. This model comes with wire baskets for organizational purposes. However, feel free to remove them if you want to make more room. A simple yet significant detail we like is the interior LED light. When you go to get a late-night snack, it's easy to see all of your options. And if you happen to knock over a soda during your midnight raid, the built-in drain plug makes cleanup a breeze. Number 1. Set Power AJ30. The Set Power AJ30 comes with tons of features at a reasonable price. For instance, consider its compatibility with multiple power sources. You can use the included AC and DC cables to connect it to outlets, carports, portable power stations, and even solar systems. We also like that it helps you out when you need cold drinks fast. This camping fridge quickly reaches the desired temperature via max mode. If you have limited energy outside, take advantage of the ICECO mode. Need to disconnect from your power source for a little while? Don't worry, the 3.1-inch thick insulation layer and secure latch alone will keep your food cold for hours. Our only complaint is that the Set Power AJ30 runs at 45 dB. It's a little loud, but as long as you can get over this white noise, it's the perfect option for your next camping trip. Pros. That was our list of the top 5 best camping fridge just for you.